have photo albums in our houses. Those albums may have photos of our childhood, our parents' childhood, but one thing is true. In every house, photo albums of at least one generation will be there. Some people preserve photo albums from 2 or 3 generations. It is difficult to maintain though. No matter how safe you keep them, they get damaged. Maybe while shifting the houses, maybe while cleaning, or even due to time, they wear off. So, it's better to take photos of those old photos. But as you saw in the beginning of the video, those photos may be dark, or even you can get a light spot on those photos. So the bottom line is, pictures taken of that old photos won't look good. But for every problem there will be a solution. And that solution is to make a digital version of that physical copy. Wait a minute. The issues I mentioned earlier in this video was while trying to make a digital version, right? Don't worry, I got a fix for that too. And that solution is taking photos. Don't get alarmed. Taking photos using Photoscan. It is available in the Play Store, but you can find the link to that in the description below. Alright, first off, the app is very simple. You will find these 4 buttons: the flash button, shutter button, the gallery button, and the magic wand button. The reason I told this at the end, though this button is right beside the flash button, is because it is very important. This is what makes Photoscan. I'll tell you about it in just a second. But first, you can use this app as a normal document scanner also. But this ain't built for that. Like I said earlier, turn on the magic wand button and hit the shutter. You will find these 4 dots. Now you have to join these 4 dots using the circle in the center. It even shows the arrow mark to the closest dot. Just hover the circle over each dot and then the photo is saved. If you shake the device, it even tells you try not to tilt the device. And after clicking, it will auto crop the photo. If it's a little off, you can adjust it by hitting adjust corners and rotate the photo if you want. Okay, now you got the solution for that problem. But how is the picture so clear even after turning on the flash? I'll tell you. When you're joining the 4 dots, Photoscan clicks 4 separate pictures and stitches it together to give you a glare-free image. So what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description to install the app and bring your old photos to life. This app is verified by Play Protect, so it's safe to download. And that's it for this video. It's me Kshitij signing off. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.